Is this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 case going to be worth it for your new Z Fold 7? Let's find out. Going over all the protective features first, we're going to start on the back, and as you can see right here, you do get this camera lens slider. That easily slides out and slides right back in, and when you're ready to expose your camera lenses, you can easily slide it out, and then once you're ready to slide it back in, it's going to protect them fully. So as you can see right here, no damage will be done to them at all because that piece is covering them. And let's say you still dropped your phone camera lens side down with it slid out. As you can see right here, you still do get that overhang. So you can see that whole piece is covering that camera lens area. So again, no damage is going to be done whatsoever. This is pretty much maximum protection that you can have for those lenses. And the whole case itself on the back does have a nice hard material, so going to be great for shock absorption. Coming over to the screen side now, you do get a screen protector that's going to be built into that screen side, and it is a privacy screen protector. So as you can see, when you have it at an angle, people cannot see what you're doing. And then you also do get raised edges as well along that screen protector too, so even more protection for that screen side. Since the Z Fold 7 does open up, you do get a nice middle hinge piece right here. It has a nice leather feel to it, and as you can see, it does act as a hinge. So once you're ready to open that Z Fold 7 up, it will lock into place, keeping it open, and it easily moves with your phone and also does protect that spine piece too. Overall though, if you're looking for a new case for your Z Fold 7, something that you can easily use on the daily, I would definitely recommend this one. It has everything that you need, all the protection features are there, and there's a lot of convenient ones too. So yeah, this will definitely be one of my choices.